Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Kayak, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Kayak website or opening the Kayak app on your device. Create an account or log into your existing account for a personalized experience. Navigate to the budget tool, which is specifically designed to help you manage your travel finances. Enter your destination in the search bar to narrow down your options. Select the dates you plan to travel to get an estimated cost of your trip. Input your budget constraints in the designated field. Kayak will provide you with a range of options that fit within your specified budget. Review the suggested flights, hotels, and rental cars to see what matches your financial plan. Use the filters to refine your search based on preferences such as non-stop flights or specific hotel amenities. Explore different combinations of travel arrangements to maximize your budget. Take advantage of the price alerts feature to stay informed about fluctuations in travel costs. Save your budget preferences and travel details for easy access later. If you're flexible with travel dates, use the Flexible Dates option to find cheaper alternatives. Consider using Kayak's Trip Huddle feature to consult with friends or family before finalizing your plans. Once you've made your selections, proceed to book your travel arrangements directly through Kayak. Repeat the process for different segments of your trip, such as activities or excursions, to maintain an overall budget. Finally, review your total expenses to ensure everything aligns with your financial goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.